Hey and welcome back! My name is Aniela and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sew ta-da! Baby doll top. This baby doll top is super easy to sew and comfortable to wear. To sew this top you can use fabric leftover, fabric scraps or even recycle old clothes. So as you see, it's super durable pattern. And you can see on my here I used two different fabrics. For the upper part I use a men's shirt and the lower part is fabric leftover, and they are mixed matching perfectly with each other with this two pinkish color and this checkered pattern with a bit pinch of pink too, as you see. Shoulder straps. Let's focus on the shoulder strap. Ta-da! Shoulder straps, as you see, I made like separate. You can wear this top with shoulder strap or without shoulder straps. That's the awesome idea, I think. And as you see, this shoulder tab you attach with these cute bows on the front and on the back of the pattern. Ta! So you can adjust the length of the shoulder strap whatever length you want. So it's super easy and super fun and good. How to choose different style and designs of shoulder strap? You can go to my second YouTube channel, Sparrow Refashion Sewing for Beginners, and inspire for more different styles of shoulder straps. And before you start sewing this top, you need to make pattern. How to make pattern? You need to watch my previous video. I know some of you need to watch videos. My previous video, I show you step by step how to make pattern for this top. It's easy pattern to make, really easy. So you should go and try it and draw your own pattern using your own body measurements, of course. And of course, if you want more sewing tips, tricks, and what type of fabrics you need to use, go to my YouTube blog site sparrowrefashion.com. There you will get more very important information about sewing this top and other great inspirations and sewing PDF patterns. So go there, sparrowrefashion.com. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let's begin.